In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language back to English in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First thing, just open Chrome and to the rightmost top, you'll be having this three dots icon. Select it. At the end, we'll be having the settings, the second last option. Select it. Here in settings, we'll be having the languages. Click it. Here in languages, if you don't have English, just click on add languages and search for English and select that and add it. Okay, this is the first step. After you're done adding, just click on the three dots corresponding to English and select move to top. After this, click on it and select display Chrome in this language. It will ask us to relaunch, so click on relaunch. By this way, your Chrome's language will be restored back to English. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.